Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can expand your timeline on CapCut PC, like how you can extend it when you put a bunch of videos. So I'm just going to select these videos and I'm just going to drag it. I'm going to add it here. As you can see, it is a little bit hard to edit because the clips are pretty small because I did put a lot. So what you're going to do is you're going to select this right here, and you're going to either zoom to fit, or you're just going to select this and drag it either to the right to extend it. Well, you're going to just drag it to the right to extend it and not to the left. So yeah, that is pretty much how you can extend your timeline. As you can see, it is a little bit more clear to what you can edit here. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!